Hi, I'm Chaz, and this is Chaz and Friends. Chaz and Friends are what I call feel good people. They make you feel good. They just have a way about them that make you feel more heard. You just feel better, feel safe, feel seen, appreciated. This channel is for people looking for more of those kind of feel good friends or becoming I should say, and becoming a more feel good person. And of course, there's the trick. You have to be a feel good person, or at least be working on becoming a better feel good friend in order to have feel good, safe relationships. That's what we do on this channel. We teach and model what I would call feel good practices. They're skills. They're things you can do to become better parents, better friends, better selves. Now, if that's not something that interests you, this is probably not for you. Probably wasting your time. But if it if it does interest you, if it at least intrigues you, stick around. Take a look at some of these videos as we release them and see how they work for you. See if they see if you might pick up anything, something new. See how they make you feel. And then maybe you can decide whether you want to subscribe or not. Either way, thank you for stopping by and watching and checking this out. And I do hope to see you soon.